Hey gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping by the end of it, you'll want to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. So, and if you're new, say hi to me down in the comments. I would love that if you're not too shy. Okay, so I have Heaven Panty. They send me these every single month. These is a panty styling subscription. You go to their website, you fill out a quiz, and then you get a panty based upon your answers. And you can get them as low as $1.99 a month. And that's not even the best part. After you get your subscription every month on that day, then they give you add-ons, which means they give you like $13, $10 to $13 in credits, and you get to go shopping with them. That is absolutely one of my most favorite things about this company. Okay, so we're gonna open up my panty and see what we got. So it comes in this bag, and inside is another bag, and it's a Ziploc bag. Okay, I do get size small. Ooh, these look similar to one I've had before, I think. They even have a referral program. It says give 20, get 20. And I think I've got a link with them, and I'll put that down in the description box. But I do get a small. This is the front, and look at the back. Okay, so these are kind of lacy. They're kind of soft. I do know that the inside is 100% cotton, that lining. And here they are. These are super cute. They are a little similar to a pair that I've gotten in the past, but they're really soft. I have actually dried these and nothing has happened to them because they're not 100% cotton. I do like the fact that they're like a mixture of nylon, spandex, and then you don't have to worry. And I've never had anything happen to them. The seams have always held up. I really do like Heaven Panty a lot. So I'm thinking I should be able to do a try-on, like to do a try-on, and I do post photos over on Instagram in case you guys wanted to see, because to me, when you're opening up panties, you do want to see how they fit. And I'm 5'6", and I'm about 112 to 115 pounds, somewhere in between there right now. So we're gonna go ahead and try these on, and then I'll be back. So these are a perfect fit. And they're cute. Okay, I'm liking it. Well, there you have it, guys. So I will leave Heaven Panty's information down in the description box or in the comment section in case you want to check them out. And thank you for taking the time to watch this unboxing. Let me know, do any of you have a panty styling subscription? If you do, tell me what it is down in the comments. I definitely want to check that out. If you have any questions for me, put them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them. But you can always reach out to Heaven Panty at any time. Like I said, their information will be down below. And thank you for being here and for watching this video. I do enjoy making these, and I'm just so happy that you guys are here. If you're new, definitely say hello to me down in the comments, and I look forward to chatting with you there. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.